This is the Tecno POVA, and welcome to the unboxing and review of this budget gaming phone. With this smartphone, Tecno is redefining your gaming experience at a budget price. Before now, we had the Tecno POVA series like the POVA 4 and POVA 4 Pro. So this technically was supposed to be the Tecno POVA 5, but Tecno has hurt that and made a rebranding instead, the birth of the Tecno POVA. But despite the name change, the ideology behind the series just got even better. The Tecno POVA is now giving you 6000 mAh battery capacity plus a gaming chipset MediaTek helio G80. So if you're having electricity issue in your area, the Tecno POVA will save you from embarrassment of NEPA. You'll also be having big memory, 6GB of RAM plus 128GB of internal storage. Sorry to say that the smartphone is not a camera device. You have 13 megapixel main camera plus 2 megapixel each for the other cameras. On the front, you have 8 megapixel selfie. So before I start showing you how good the cameras are, before I tell you how long the battery lasts and how good the POVA is for gaming, here is the quick unboxing. The smartphone came in this grey kind of silverish color with the Tecno POVA boldly written on it. And when you open into the box, the first thing you see is a smartphone on top with POVA stickers all around. The one with me here is the magic blue color with stripes on the back. Next is an envelope that contains a glass screen protector. A very wise decision from Tecno to keep your POVA smartphone protected. You also have a warranty card plus Google Assistant manual inside the envelope. Next was a transparent rubber body cover that fits the POVA phone perfectly well. And you have the charger and a micro USB cable. And lastly was a pair of earphones. So all of these you get for 80,000 naira. Now, according to Tecno, you don't have to worry about the phone getting heated up or getting hot when playing games. The phone uses thermal conductive material and 3D multi-layer craftsmanship, which greatly improves the efficiency of heat dissipation. Okay, now those are grammars, but what Tecno is trying to say here is that the smartphone build is plastic, but it was built in such a way that it reduces heat when playing games. The display of the smartphone, you have 6.8-inch dot-in display with 720 x 1640 HD plus resolution. There are dual flashlights in the top bezels and also a notification light in blue color. You notice that when you are charging the smartphone. The Tecno POVA henceforth will be known to be a big battery smartphone and also a gaming smartphone. That is what Tecno is trying to achieve here, and I can see them succeeding in the nearest future completely. Also, right from the onset of this review, I've made it clear that this device is not a camera device. But let me show you samples of images I took. Now, a full camera comparison of this smartphone with the Infinix Note 8 is coming soon, so please hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification so you get notified when I post new content. The smartphone runs Android 10 out of the box on top Tecno's latest skin software, iOS 7. Most parts of these softwares were developed to enhance the gaming experience. Like I said before, everything about this smartphone is about gaming and big battery life. But I hope to see some changes in the nearest future, hopefully subsequent POVA smartphones, even if it is not the camera segment. But please, Tecno, make sure your next POVA devices don't use the micro USB. Just put the USB Type-C port and be okay with that. So, should you buy a Tecno POVA? If you are a gamer, yes. If you are in for big battery, yes. You need to save yourself from the constant adjustive failure, epilepsy, and embarrassment, so you need a big battery life to keep you running. But if you want to buy this smartphone because of cameras, don't try it. This is for gaming. Let's leave it at that. If you have questions about the smartphone, please drop them below in the comment section. And also remember to subscribe and turn on the post notification so you get notified when I post new content. You can also follow me on social media, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram at MyHD. I will link those below in the description so you can go and check it out. Okay, next is that the Tecno Spark Go is right here in the building, so a review of it will be coming soon. So you can also subscribe so you don't miss out. There's a lot to talk about this budget smartphone. 2020 is already messy, so we need something affordable to buy as a gift to our loved ones, or maybe as a second smartphone. If that's the case, then please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the Tecno Spark Go 2020 unboxing and review. Okay, it's my day. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon in my next one.